friends, it's Anke here with you, sharing a new layout inspiration and process video featuring the beautiful April hit kits. As you know, on Sundays we focus on techniques. For my NSD challenge last Sunday I made this layout with a woven background, and some of you asked if I made a process video about how I made this background. Unfortunately, I had technical issues and couldn't make a video, so I thought it would be a nice idea to create another layout with woven background today, so you can see how I make it. The size of my layout will be 9 by 12 inches, and for my background I cut off a piece of cardstock which is 7 by 10 inches. And now I set marks at intervals of half an inch on top and bottom of the cardstock and cut into the cardstock with my scissors. I got the assignment to create a layout with a white cardstock background, so instead of using white thread and a pattern paper, I use white cardstock and a green thread that matches the green on the papers of the April kit perfectly. I fix the thread on my page with a piece of tape and then wind it around the cardstock. The end of the thread is also secured with tape. Then I cut paper strips 7 by half an inch and start weaving. I backed the woven background with a piece of the Hip Kit Club Essentials pistachio paper, which is included in the April cardstock kit, and glue the background on my page. This is how my background looks like, and now I can add photo and embellishments. This is my photo, and I was also asked to incorporate one of the fabric pockets which are included in the April embellishment kit. I pick out a tag, some floral die cuts and butterflies, place my photo on the tag and add the flowers and butterflies to the tag and the fabric pocket. The die cuts are also included in the April embellishment kit. For my title, I combine one of the fabric word die cuts which are included in the April Pocket Life kit and one of the mixed ephemera which you can find in the April main kit. I want my tag and pocket hanging on a line, so I add a piece of green twine and adhere everything. Add two of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams puffy stickers which are included in the April Pocket Life kit. I attach the ends of the twine and add more of the floral ephemera which you can find in the April embellishment kit. out clouds from white cardstock using metal dies and add them to my page. Finally, I add one of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams chipboard shaped stickers and some of the Spring Mini Puffy stickers, both included in the April embellishment kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me today.